Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, to kick off the week, the market will pay attention to the Asian session as the latest Westpac consumer survey from New Zealand hits the market, which is a key indicator of business and consumer confidence. After the rate cut by the New Zealand Central Bank last week, this number will be closely watched and we may see some volatility in the New Zealand dollar. Later, in the American session, we'll see the latest existing home sales figures from the US, which will give investors a clear indication on the state of the housing market, and this number tends to create some volatility and trading opportunities in the US dollar. On Tuesday, we'll also see key real estate data during the Asian session with the release of the leading housing market index from Australia. The potential bubble in the property market has been one of the reasons the Reserve Bank of Australia has held off raising interest rates, so this indicator will be closely watched and any changes to the sector, and we may see some volatility in the Australian dollar. In the US session, there will be more key real estate data as the housing price index from the US hits the market, following on from the existing home sales figure in yesterday's session with a focus again on the US dollar. Early in Wednesday's session, the market will be focused on China with the release of the PMI Services Index from the continent. The figure came in at 40.73 last month, with a number below 50 showing a contraction in the economy, so traders will be hoping for a rebound to lend some support to the Chinese yuan. Later in the session, the market will await manufacturing PMI indexes from Germany, France, the Eurozone and the US. All numbers came in above 50 last month, showing the manufacturing sector in the respective countries moving forward, and a repeat performance may present some trading opportunities in the euro and the US dollar. On Thursday, the market will focus on the Asian session with the release of the latest trade balance, import and export figures from New Zealand. The numbers have been disappointing investors in recent months, which is one of the reasons why the central bank cut interest rates last month, so traders will be hoping for a rebound to lend some support to the New Zealand dollar. In the European session, we'll see the latest consumer confidence index from Germany, which has been on the up for the past year, and we may see the euro receive a boost on the back of more good numbers. In the American session, the latest durable goods order from the US will hit the market, which is a key indicator of consumer confidence, and we expect volatility in the US dollar as this news is released. On Friday, during the Asian session, we'll see the National Consumer Price Index from Japan, which is a key trend indicator in consumer spending, and we expect some volatility in the Japanese yen surrounding this news. During the American session, we'll see the latest GDP numbers from the US, which came in at 3.7% last month and well up from 2.6% since the beginning of the year. This is just one of many numbers that show the US economy is moving forward, and another good number should see the US dollar finish the week on a good note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.